Hello everybody, and today is a little bit of bodywork again. I did a lot already on the car. I will show you how we are going to do this. So enjoy the video. So if you like the videos, subscribe, like, share it, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified when there is a next video out. So here we go with this little bodywork. So at first, what do we need? That's a cutting disc. It's really fine, so you can cut it very clean. Cleaning disc or cleaning brush. Then we have the cleaning discs for the air machine, for the air grinder. So measurements and a good piece of metal. So let's clean up this a little bit. Let's take my drill and we drill out the spot weldings. Oh, that's really rusty, yes. I think I have to drill a little bit more there. There we have it. That's also loose. So I will drill this also out because I see a lot of rust underneath it, and I guess this bit too, so I can clean it up. So first of all, before I bend this, I will cut it. Now this, guys, this is the most expensive tool I have. It takes electricity you cannot imagine, but it helps a lot. So here we go. Yes. There we have it. The piece is out. So here are again. So This piece holds there. Lay it on the back. On top we have a straight corner here, but underneath there I did some cutting away. So that's about that. Now I drove a line here. It's hard to see. Let me do it the other way. If it's hard to see, then just paint it a little black. Then you will leave the mark like this. Now we lay it back again on it. We have the black on the rear side here. Okay. Now it's easier to see now. Another check. Okay, so that has to be bent to the back. Okay, we'll be back. So I have bent it already, and now you see we have a curve here. So you cannot do this without cutting. Yeah. So now we have a perfect piece. I have some little tweaking to do, but now you see how it sits. Now I'm going to tap it in place here. Now the only thing we have to do now is we have this, so I'll drill 2 holes so I can weld it on. Now I can direct it like I want it. A little bit like that. And this is okay. So I will I use a little tap to tap it back in. That's okay. And now I start welding from this metal and a little bit to there, and hopefully we'll get not those little holes. Now this is already done here. I have to make that piece that sits here, and that underneath it that sits here. So if I see the gap here, it's about that, a little cut. So we're gonna draw that here on. Okay, this is the piece. Drill the holes here and then weld it to the the body. Now it's very important that you don't warp this side here, so it's welding, cooling down. We can start tap it at place here. It sits a little bit inwards now. And break loose. That's not what we want. It's gonna be a nightmare.